Let's go to Lico's 2256 minimal average differences. It gives us an integer array nums, and let's find return the index with a minimal average difference. Let's look at the example. 2539553, and at the index 0, we have the array, which it has separated the array into two parts. First one is 2, the second part is 53953, and at first the average is 2, and the second part the average is 5. So the difference with absolute value is 3. And when index is 1, we calculate this two part. And the difference is 2. And when index is at 3, we'll say 0, 1, 2, 3. It have the first part average to be 4, the second part for average also to be 4. So the difference is a minimal, that is 0. So it returns the index 3. So it just let us to find the index which have the minimal diff. What we want to do is that we can calculate the sum of this array first, and then we iterate the index from 0 to n-1, right? And we are going to have those kind of sum has a left sum and a right sum, and also calculate the left average and the right average, and trying to find the minimal diff with a minimal dex. So let's write a code for this. Int, let's have the sum first. So, we'll have max in diff equals integer dot max value, and the index, the corresponding index was -1. So let's say for int I equals 0, let's get to the length out. Int n equals nums dot length smaller than n I plus plus. We'll have it left sum. We'll have a two thing is it left sum equals 0, right sum equals sum. Beginning is 0, and the right sum is sum. So left sum is equal to nums I, and the right sum minus equal to nums I, right? So let's say int left average equals left sum divided by -1, right? I plus 1. And the right average, when I equals n-1, all of the elements will go to the left part. There is no right average. So Mm, um, in that case, we have average equals root sum divided by a minus I minus 1. In that case, if I equals n minus 1, this will divide by 0. This is not what we want. So we can set this one as I equals n minus 1. Right. Second one, this one as 0 because you say that if I have for example, this kind of test case have one element. There is nothing on the end, right? So we consider that then the right part to be 0, so that we return the first index. So we'll say if mass dot average minus right average smaller than mean difference, but how mean if equals one. And also we'll have that is high. And in the end, we return index. We may need to convert this one to be long, right? So that this data may be very big. Let's convert this one to be long. And this one also to be long. Okay. And this one is long. Okay. This will be linear time complexity, and there is no actual spaces, so that the space complexity will be O1.